Good night, team. Today I'm gonna talk about journey of a package in a 3PL network from order to delivery. Introduction to 3PL. Third-party logistics or 3PL refers to the outsourcing of logistics and supply chain management to a specialized provider. 3PL providers play a crucial role in the supply chain, offering expertise, efficiency, and cost savings for businesses. By leveraging the services of a 3PL provider, companies can focus on their core competencies while entrusting logistics to experts. Order placement. The journey begins when a customer places an order online. This order is sent to the 3PL provider, integrated seamlessly with the e-commerce platform, ensuring a smooth transition from order placement to processing. The order data is automatically transferred to 3PL's warehouse management system, where it is queued for processing. Order processing. Next, the order is received by the 3PL provider system. Inventory is checked and the order is verified for accuracy. This step is crucial to ensure the right items are picked and packed. The warehouse management system helps out optimize inventory levels and reduce errors, ensuring that each order is accurate and complete. Picking and packing. In the warehouse, workers use advanced technologies to pick the items from the shelves. Automated picking systems such as conveyor belts and robotic arms enhance efficiency and accuracy. The items are then packaged carefully, ensuring they are ready for shipment. Quality checks are performed to verify that the correct items are packed and that they are in a good condition. Shipping preparation. Once packed, the packages are labeled and documented ready for dispatch. This preparation is vital for the next step. Transportation shipping labels, barcodes, and documentation are generated to ensure that each package is correctly identified and tracked throughout its journey. Transportation. Packages are transported using various modes, road, air, or sea, depending on the destination. 3PL providers play a key role in coordinating transportation, ensuring timely and efficient delivery. They work with a network of carriers and transportation providers to find the most cost-effective and reliable routes for each shipment. Tracking and monitoring. Real-time tracking technologies provide customers with updates on their package journey. GPS tracking, RFID tags, and barcode scanning enable accurate and timely updates. This transparency builds trust and ensures customers are informed every step of the way. Last mile delivery. The final leg of the journey is the most critical. Last mile delivery 3PL providers face challenges such as traffic, congestion, delivery density, and customer availability. Innovative solutions such as route optimization, software, and delivery lockers help ensure the package reaches the customer's doorstep promptly. Returns management. Returns are an essential part of the e-commerce experience. 3PL providers manage returns efficiently, handling reverse logistics to ensure customer satisfaction. They process returns, inspect the items, and restock or dispose of them appropriately. Case study, successful 3PL implementation. Let's look at the real-world example of a successful 3PL implementation. Company H partnered with a 3PL provider to streamline their logistics operation. Key takeaways include improved efficiency, customer satisfaction, and cost savings. The 3PL provider's expertise and advanced technologies helped Company X achieve significant improvements in their supply chain performance. Subscribe and like the video. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a good night.